Hi, did you know that your prefrontal cortex, the brain's executive center, is like a stage? But it's a stage with limited space and limited lighting. So when we're thinking, only a few actors can get on the spotlight or be in the spotlight at any time. And that's why it's easy for the stage to get crowded, especially when you're juggling multiple priorities or facing competing demands. Now, as a leader, managing what gets on the stage is crucial to your success. And that's where paradoxical thinking comes in. So instead of thinking either or, which narrows the focus just to one actor, we can use both and thinking. And that allows us to hold multiple perspectives and find creative solutions without overwhelming the stage. Research in cognitive science by Smith and Lewis, as well as Dehaene and others, supports this approach, showing that our brains can better manage complexity and uncertainty when we allow flexibility in our thinking. So, as demands pile up, remember, clear the stage, manage your actors, and shine the spotlight on what matters most. To learn more about how to manage your brain and a number of important business paradoxes, join us on our next workshop, Paradoxical Leadership, Unlocking Success in a Rapidly Changing World. It's on Wednesday, the 23rd of October at 12:30 p.m. and you can register via the link provided. We look forward to seeing you there.